Hey guys, I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. I'm using this Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to be taking a sizable amount of it, and I'm going to be rubbing it into my hair. I like this leave-in conditioner because it gives this kind of shine to the hair and also softens the hair. So I'm just going to rub that. I really love it. You can see, you guys. So I'm just going to be combing my hair out like so. Now you can see my edges, they are not really slicking down. So I'm going to take my Gorilla hair glue and I'm going to apply a little to my edges like that. Please don't go and use Gorilla spray adhesive. So before you come and tell me that
my hair, it don't move.
Don't send you work. I'm just going to keep brushing my hair. You can see that, you guys. Yeah, this looks nice. Next, I'm just going to be grabbing a cotton comb. You can use any cotton comb that you have. And I'm going to be cutting a little portion of my hair. I'm cutting it towards the side. And I'm using my Darling Natural Twist. If you watch one of my videos, I'm going to display it on the screen right now. You would have seen me use this hair. So I have this hair from a previous video, and I'm going to be using this to twist my hair. I'm using this because my hair is not natural, my hair is relaxed, so that to give me that a little bit of that natural hair feel. My hair is not bulky, so I'm just going to start flat twisting. Now this video is not a detailed flat twist tutorial, but if you search on YouTube, you're going to see different flat twist tutorials. I actually had a lot of issues before I got this because I was like, how do I do it? But it's really not hard. It's just, you can see the direction of my hand, just follow it, or if you don't understand, just search it up on YouTube. And I'm going to keep twisting my hair. Now you guys, you can see my edges are not plucked out, and I just had knotless twists. So make sure you watch my video on how to save your edges from braids, so that you can know how to keep your edges intact after having braids as well. Now if you watch this video to this point, that means that you're actually gaining something. So please hit the subscribe button and please like this video. It really goes a long way. Also drop a comment if you're going to try this out, or just tell me, do you like this style? Let's just discuss in the comment section. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing for the other side. I'm just cutting my hair, sectioning my hair like so, and I'm going to be flat twisting it the way I did for the other side. I'm just going to come back to show you guys what the final look is.